is Paulise, and welcome back to part 3 of our lesson, Todos son bienvenidos aquí. Last class, we created a drawing of an entrance that included things that make us feel welcome. Our drawings will be part of a miniature installation that we'll be creating, como mi ejemplo aquí. During art today, we will refine and add color to our drawings. Vámonos, let's learn more. Today, we will refine our welcoming entrance, con detalles y color. To refine means to improve something, haciendo pequeños cambios. At the end of this project, you will be creating your own welcoming entrance, como mi ejemplo aquí. But before we start, we're going to spend our time today refining and adding detalles y color to our entrance. Let's begin by taking a look at our drawings from last class. As we seek to refine and improve our work, think about a few things. Where do you feel welcome? Who makes you feel welcome? And what makes you feel welcome? Are there any other details you can include that will make your drawing more welcoming? ¿Qué puedes dibujar? Here are a few of the small welcoming elements I've incorporated into my drawing. ¿No se ve mejor? Once you finish refining your drawing, you can use a black-colored pencil, Sharpie, or pen to go over your work. This will make todos los detalles in your drawing more visible. Now we're ready to add some color. Let's take a look at one artist for inspiration. Stephanie Boutari is a Canadian-Egyptian artist. Stephanie paints murals to inspire a connection between people and the places where they live and work. Mira esto! Do you think the color that Stephanie painted in her mural makes this building appear more welcoming? Creo que sí. Notice how her use of bright colors make this entrance seem more inviting. ¡Qué bonito! In addition to color, the images in her murals create a connection to the space. How can you use color and images to make your entrance more welcoming? Let's take a look at how color can change our drawings. Wow, qué bonitos son los colores! My entrance seems much more inviting now. You can use any material you have at home to add color to your drawing, including crayons, colored pencils, markers, and even watercolor paint. Whatever material you use, be sure to demonstrate good craftsmanship or artesanía when adding color. Remember to take your time and do your best work. If you're using watercolor paint, siga estos pasos. Dip your brush in agua primero. Then gently dance the brush on the surface of the paint. Don't scoop it out. And finally, paint your paper. Be sure not to press down too hard. You don't want your paper to rip. When using your paintbrush, recuerda to keep your brush hairs looking nice and neat. Be gentle. Avoid bad hair days by not pushing down too hard. And don't forget to dip the tip. You want to keep the paint on the tip of your brush. Avoid getting any paint on the metal part. No quieres gastar la pintura. Now it's your turn. Empieza by refining your drawing. Add and adjust any welcoming details to your work. Los detalles son importantes. Next, add color. Use crayons, colored pencils, markers, or watercolor to neatly add color to your work. And finally, comparte. Upload an image of your drawing to our site. Well, I hope you enjoyed refining and adding color to your welcoming entrance. Recuerda to demonstrate good craftsmanship and to take your time when adding color. Es muy importante. For our next class, be sure to bring your finished drawing as we'll learn how to add a pop-out door to our entrance. And remember, todos son bienvenidos aquí. Until next time, adiós artistas!